It's really all about leader behavior.
100 baby, just can't stop.
Work is love made visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning,
Team engagement and
our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work. We can motivate through our relationships. A great driver of motivation and employee engagement, it's really all about leader behavior. The most important relationship that an employee has in the company is his relationship not with peers, but the most important relationship is his relationship with his or her boss. Why? Because that's the relationship that will open more doors, opportunities that will level up his or her skill sets. And sadly, we have to encourage a lot of our team members to invest more in that relationship. And it starts when the leader is the one who acts first based on these 3 C steps that you have here. And leaders have to initiate more. Leaders have to show first that they have care, connection, and compassion. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.